In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how regular people with zero experience are building commission stores across 4 of the biggest platforms on the planet and earning money from all 4 simultaneously on complete autopilot. Here's how the money actually flows. There are 4 massive affiliate platforms right now: Amazon, ClickBank, Digistore24, and Etsy. Each one has millions of buyers spending money every single day. Amazon buyers buying physical products. ClickBank buyers buying digital courses, paying affiliates up to 75% commission. Digistore24 buyers purchasing global offers. Etsy buyers looking for handmade and creative products. That's 4 completely different audiences for different types of products. 4 separate commission streams, all flowing money to affiliates every single day. Now, the reason most people never tap into this money is because building even ONE affiliate store used to take weeks. You needed to find products manually, set up hosting, design the store, write the content, figure out SEO, and that was just for ONE platform. 4 platforms most people never even try. Today I'm going to show you how to tap into all 4 of these platforms at once. In just 60 seconds. This is Commission Hub AI. You log in, you pick your platform: Amazon, ClickBank, Digistore24, or Etsy. You pick your niche, and watch what happens. In 60 seconds, your store is live. Products loaded automatically. Blog content auto-updating. About page, contact page, all done. Your affiliate store is ready to earn from day 1. Here's how the money starts flowing. Your store attracts visitors from search engines, social media, anywhere you drive traffic. They browse products from your chosen platform. They click, they buy. Commission hits your account. And because Commission Hub AI stores auto-update with fresh content every day, your store keeps pulling in traffic and commissions, even while you sleep. Right now, during launch, you can get full access to Commission Hub AI for a single one-time payment of just $14. No monthly fees, no hosting costs, no hidden charges, ever. Click the button below. Use coupon code CHORF for 50% off and build your first commission store today. 4 platforms, 4 income streams, 60 seconds. Your store is waiting. Go build it now.